Friends, I am here with a brand new style from Rene of Paris. This is Vero in the color, let me look at it and get it right, White Rose Blonde R. Brand new color, brand new style. This is made with a high heat friendly synthetic. It is so silky, so soft, not shiny. When you get a synthetic wig this blonde, it can sometimes look really shiny. There's no artificial shine on this one. It's really great. I can't wait to tell you all about it. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am partnering with Rene of Paris on this review. They actually sent me all 4 of their brand new styles. I have them all. I'll be reviewing them all, and I cannot wait to share this fun launch with you guys. And Vero is stunning. They have done such a good job with this, and this color is just beautiful. We will look at this color later on in the video, and I do have an outside segment for you that I've already filmed, and that will be on the end as well. So you'll be able to see this color inside and outside, and that does make a difference. Color does look different depending on the warmth of the lighting, the brightness of the lighting. I will also link this wig at the Name Brand Wigs website. I do have a 30% off coupon code that you can use to save 30% on this one from all sides. This has such a realistic density. I just love. You can tell by the ends that this is a really realistic. It also has a lace front that goes from here to here, so temple to temple, and it has a mono part that I think they did fantastic on, because sometimes you find that parts aren't very realistic and they need to be plucked, but I think they did great with this one. You can see the knotting a little bit on this one. I'll show that to you up close. Because this root is so dark, that means the knots are pretty dark. If you are bothered by visible knotting, you can either get a non-rooted color or just use a little face powder, just a translucent face video showing how I do that, and I'll make sure that's linked below. But otherwise, besides a little bit of visible knotting, they have done a great job on this lace front. It's a realistic density. It looks like a natural hairline. That's that part, nice wide left going over to the right part. It's not an extended lace front. We've got giant ear tabs with some Velcro, with metal stays in them so that you can press that in. We've got, I don't know where Velcro came from. We've got a non-extended nape, and we have bra strap or pull adjusters. You can see I have this adjusted in some. I have a 21 1/4 circumference, and I do adjust it a fair amount for a comfortable fit, which means this is gonna fit true to average. Open wefting throughout. So easy, pretty much a throw and go. Beautiful wave pattern. So it looks like you took a wide barreled curling iron and put a few soft waves, and the beauty of synthetic, these waves will stay even through washing. So you don't have to restyle this one. If you love the curl pattern that it comes with, you can keep it even after washing. I do have a video where I talk about caring for heat-friendly fibers. You definitely want to be aware that heat-friendly fibers do need a little bit of extra care versus regular. You definitely want to know about heat-friendly fibers if you're new to wig wearing. I don't want you to be surprised. I love heat-friendly fibers, but it took me some time to realize that they need extra care. It can be frustrating in the beginning if you don't know that. That's why I share it. That's why I've made other videos, which I will link below. The fibers are so soft, so silky. Feels like the healthiest bio hair. It's just, I love their heat-friendly fibers. I think they do a phenomenal job on them. The realism is off the charts when it comes to Rene of Paris heat-friendly fibers. You can see, you can tuck this. Now, tucking will depend on multiple factors. One of the factors is how does it fit you? These are good sized ear tabs, which provides really good coverage on the sides here, but they can sometimes get in the way of either tucking or glasses if the wig fits you. I do love tucking my wigs, which is another reason why I like the rooting, because I have darker bio hair. My bio hair is barely poking out, but it is a little bit, and it blends with this kind of more neutral colored root beautifully. So I can do a full tuck and it's gonna look great. And as for bangs, If you'd like to cut a bang in this one, no problem. I mean, really, I think you can cut a bang in almost any wig. Okay, density and Permatease. This wig is what I would consider a moderate density. It has a healthy amount of hair. I wouldn't consider this light density, but the moderate density is natural. I don't think it looks like a lot of hair, an overwhelming amount of hair. Really natural. It doesn't have a lot of hair. You can tuck it easily. And there is a little tiny bit of Permatease, like right here, and a tiny bit of crimpy fibers right at the crown. I would say if you're looking for a wig with no Permatease, don't be afraid of this one. It's not traditional and it's not poofy. If, on the other hand, you love to get in and zhuzh up your wigs and kind of make them big, and you utilize the Permatease to do that, this one doesn't have the Permatease that you'll need for it, so you're not going to be able to get terribly big hair with this one. But honestly, I think this is a perfect everyday wig. It's great to go to work, great to go to church, great to go to, you know, an event. It looks like you took a little bit of time to do your hair. I've got a wayward piece right there, as you can see. A little heat will fix that. Yours probably won't have that. It has to do with the hand-tied features. So it looks like you spent a little bit of time doing your hair, but it's not overly fancy hair. It's just really perfect for everyday wear in my opinion. Let's talk about this color. What did I say? White? I keep wanting to say rose gold. That's not it. It's white, rose, blonde, R. The R stands for rooted, and we already talked a little bit about that. This rooting is going to look way darker in this indoor lighting. It always looks darker than it does to my eye. So I always want to point that out. You'll be able to see this rooting outside. It is a beautiful, in my opinion, kind of a medium brown. It is not a dark brown. Do they say that it's dark? Let me look at the description. Medium brown root. It does say medium. Sometimes I look at these descriptions and they'll say dark brown, and I don't agree because I don't see it as being super dark. It does have a pretty significant contrast to the super light blonde, but it doesn't look black. It doesn't look dark brown at all. So the way they describe this, and I'll tell you if I agree with the description, I don't always, white blonde base. Absolutely. There is white blonde in here. It looks like platinum, not like gray, if that makes sense. It has subtle warm brown highlights. Those subtle, they are super subtle. It almost looks like a light brown low light. Can you see that? Very subtle. And then the medium root. So in the name it says white rose blonde. So you would think that there might be some pink in here. There isn't any pink in here. No pink. Definitely a light whitish platinum blonde with some really subtle light brown. Could even look dark blonde to some people. Highlights with a gorgeous root. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. I will tack some pictures on the end. Guys, great brand new piece. Love it. Really love it. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. All right. Beautiful. Rose blonde. What was it? Rose gold blonde R. The root. This is fresh out of the box. Have not really done anything with her yet. Bright sunlight. So pretty. Bright sun. I should have put sunglasses on. It's hard to believe we're supposed to get 2 to 4 inches of snow in a few hours. It's so gorgeous out here right now. Can't wait to play with her. Hope this helped. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.